Praise to Lord Jesus Christ. I'm Vinay Pala. Welcome to the Blessed channel. This time I'm talking about Malayali people. Kerala language speaking Malayalam speaking people are known as Malayali. They are blessing to the world. Malayali people are we can see everywhere in the world, in every field of life. They are confident, intelligent, courageous, educated, sharp foundation-based people can understand things very clearly, easily, and speedily. Malayali tribe have great history. Of course, not single monolithic tribe. There are so many mixing with other cultures, but it is not properly orderly written. Australian Aboriginal people have similarity with the South Indian Adivasi people. Two main things in Kerala: Idukki Dam, one of the biggest dam in Asia, and Wayanad Tamarasheri Mountain Pass, Churam in Malayalam, Wayanad and Churam. Ideas from Adivasi people: Kolumban and Karinthandan. Tamil Nadu, nearby state. Tamil people used to say Kira, which is Chira in Malayalam, spinach in English. In Malayalam, Kerala is Keralam, but North Indian and in Hindi, Sanskrit and Europeans also cannot say easily They are saying Kerala only. Ancient time, this area ruled by Cherak dynasty. So Alam is a place name in South Indian language. So Chera plus Alam became Cheralam. Another saying is there throughout Kerala there is coconut tree. It is Kera in Malayalam. For coconut in Malayalam. And so place Kera plus Alam, Keralam. BC time Emperor Ashoka mentioned as Keral Putra, means sons of Kerala. Now only three main positions left for Malayali to handle: Indian Prime Minister, UN Secretary and Pope. I am praying for that to happen very soon. Kerala is a land of Ayurveda, ancient medical system treatment. And from Kerala, spices, especially black pepper, are exported throughout the world, even used in mummification process in Egypt. And ancient martial art, Kalaripayat is ancient martial art, mother of all martial arts. It is approximate BC 1000 of Kerala. Reached in China through Buddhist Bodhidharma, became Kung Fu, later changed to Kung Fu and Karate, spread throughout the world. There is a statue of Bodhidharma in China. And in Kerala, Chinavala, Chinese net for fishing, and China Chatti, Chinese vessel. Now also people are saying the same word now for using, people are using. Means there is ancient trading with China. Wood and other things also export from here in large scale. There are so many traditional house models, boats, small type from Kerala. And Kerala people are expert in training elephants. In Catholic Bible book, First Maccabi, chapter 6, it is written, in BC 100 there is war between Greek and Israel. Indian people participated, gave training to elephants. Next, Kerala Chief Minister should be a successful businessman or any successful person in any field, or should be a lady. In Kerala, ladies are majority in numbers, doing all types of jobs. Throughout the world, we can see Malayali nurses. Famous freedom fighter Akamacharian, known as Chansi Rani of Travancore. Dr. Tessie Thomas, aerospace engineer, famous for her work with the Agni missile project in India's defense DRDO, known as Missile Woman. Anna Pamela Matthew, running successful famous OEM India Limited company in Ernakulam. First lady IAS officer in India is Anna Malhotra. First High Court Judge Anna Chandi. Justice Fatima Bibi, first lady judge in Supreme Court. Sister Rani Maria, a Catholic nun from Kerala, doing her social work among Adivasi people, first inhabited people, for uplifting them in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Landlords became angry. If people are getting education, nobody can keep them slaves forever. So they arranged Samrinder Singh to kill sister. Mr. Singh stopped running bus, killed his sister by knife. Later Singh repented, visited sister's parents in Kerala. They forgave him. There is one film released regarding sister. The film name is Face of the Faceless. Another lady, Mercy, known as Dayabai, worked with other people for uplifting them in Madhya Pradesh. Famous businessman Koschavsul Chitlapalli's wife Sheila also doing business. Malayalam is one of the best language in the world, but due to a great influence by Tamil and Sanskrit, it lost its dominance. Later, Henman Gundert After discussing with so many ordinary people, made Malayalam dictionary, resurrected again this Malayalam language, Kerala language, Malayalam. Malayalam can speak any language without any difficulty, but North Indian people, Hindi, Sanskrit or any other North Indian and even Europeans, foreign people also, they cannot say easily For the Kerala, they are all are telling Kerala only. Tamil Nadu people, nearby state, for them Gandhi is Gandhi. Some are saying Malayalam came from Tamil or mix of Tamil and Sanskrit. There is no logic in these arguments. Tamil Nadu is in nearby state, there are similarity, of course. Interesting thing is, while meeting each other, ordinary Tamil people are saying Vanakkam only, but Malayalam people are, Kerala people are telling Namaskaram only. Other South Indian state, Andhra Pradesh people are saying Namaskaram. History is not properly written. One famous Malayali businessman known as Biscuit King, Mr. Rajan Pilla, died in Tihar jail in Delhi, India, without getting any proper humanitarian consideration. Another famous businessman, owner of East Coast, India's first private airline, Mr. Taqiyun Wahid, also died. Both cases, proper investigation not done. E.C. Sudarshan, scientist, he was Indian from Kerala. Indian President K.R. Narayanan, Singapore President Mr. Devan Nair, his time in 1981 to 85. M.S. Swaminathan done agriculture revolution in India. Dr. Varghese Kurian done milk revolution in India by Amul Dairy in Gujarat. V.K. Krishnamanan, Defense Minister in Jawaharlal Nehru's ministry. John Mathai is the first State Bank of India chairman. And he's first railway minister, then became finance minister also. Mr. V.P. Menon was secretary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Chief Election Commissioner Mr. T.N. Session shows us the real power of Election Commission. Mr. Sridharan Sir made a revolution in Indian Railway, main master behind the Konkan Railway project. Justice Balakrishnan is the ex-Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India. Top 10 business people from Kerala: Ravi Pilla, Sunny Varki, P.N.C. Menon, S.D. Shibulal, Asad Mupan, George Alexander Muthoot, Joy Alucas, M.A. Yusuf Ali, Shamsir Vayalil, Chris Gopalakrishnan, Kalyan Jewelry family, T.S. Kalyanaraman. There are so many famous IAS, IPS officers, including Alphonse Kannanthanam, ex-Central Minister, and President George Kurian, also Kerala, Malayali. V.V. Augustine was one of the top businessmen in Persia, present Iran. He tried business in Kerala, but due to start Rado Tire Company, but failed due to political trade union problems. Another man, Mr. Joseph Cheruspan Kochatan, famously known as, he is one of the businessmen famous in film industry, bringing one of the men behind bringing film industry from Madras, Tamil Nadu to Kerala. For expanding his watch company in Pala, his hometown, he imported costly equipments, but greedy, corrupted sales tax people made big penalty. It took so many years in court for getting justice. Then again, people cheated him, capturing his land and multi-story building, Kerala Trade Center in Ernakulam Marine Drive. It also takes so many years in court for getting justice. He recently died without completing his dream project in Ernakulam Marine Drive. In Pala, Central Bank was there in Pala. Pala would have been one of the biggest business center in India. It was destroyed due to policy of the Morarji Desai ministry. But no political party in Kerala spoke against the policy of central government at that time. Saint Chavra Kujakos Elias, a Catholic priest from Kerala, is the father of modern day Kerala. By implementing a decision, if there is a church, it is a Palli in Malayalam, and there should be school, it is Pallikudam. Kerala became literate very soon. All sections of the people got chance for education. He started mid-term meal also in school, and some school he started studying Sanskrit also. After that education revolution, so many leaders movement started in Kerala. Srinarayana Guru, Yengali, Chattambi Samigal, A.K. Gopalan, V.T. Fattadiripado, E.M.S. Namudiripado, K.K. Alappan, Vakkam Maulavi, Muhammad Abdul Rahman Saib, C. Keshavan, Joseph Vadakan, T.V. Thomas, A.J. John, P.T. Chacko, T.M. Varghese, C.M. Stephen, Wellington, K.M. Chandy, Cherian Jakapan, D.C. Kirkamuri, founder of T.C. Books, K.C. Maman Mapala, founder of Malayalam Manorama, and Anima Screen, Rosama Punnus, Advocate George Joseph, who was Congress delegate attending a meeting with the British people in Britain. He participated in Viking struggle for allowing lower caste people entry into temple. But as per advice from Gandhiji, he left from that moment. T. Titus participated in Dandi March with Gandhi. Professor C.J. Varki was the education minister in Rajagopalachari Ministry in Madras. Professor M.B. Paul, Dr. M.V. Paile, Joseph Pondicherry were educational experts. Thomas Kurian is the richest CEO of Indian origin, Global Cloud CEO. Rubal Chanti is the author of bestseller book 90 Days to Life. There are so many business motivational videos available with Mr. Rubal Chanti. First Malayalam cinema producer is M.C. Daniel. Navodaya Pachan also famous in film field, everybody knows. Yeshudas is a famous singer, everybody knows. First book written in Indian language, Malayalam, about traveling is in Malayalam by Catholic priest from Kerala, Paramakal Thomakatanar. Name is Vartamana Pustakam. Santosh George Kulangara, through his Sanjaram traveling videos, Safari channel, bring wealth to India. And Malayali, especially Malayali people. And Catholic priest Davis Chermel, donate his kidney, inspiring others for kidney donation. Another Catholic priest, Abel, Father Abel, through his Kalabavan, give chance for all common men to enter in film field very easily. And there is one undeclared saint in Impala, his name is Kaipampalakal Achan. Through his dedicated work, he give chance for peaceful living and death for so many people. And there is a Maria Sadanam in Pala run by Santosh for mentally affected people. In Kottayam Medical College, there is one trust, Navajivan Trust, run by Mr. Thomas, giving food for so many people. Famous writer Muttatu Varki, through his writing, he brought common men to a habit of reading. And Vijay Kurian is the main man behind the successful completion of Nedumacheri Cochin International Airport. Supreme Court Justice is Supreme Court Justice Kurian Joseph also famous. And famous businessman Kochosop Chitlapalli, Kitek Sabu, MRF retired by Manorama is there. So many times Kerala people got ISRO chairman's post also. And Joseph Murican made a revolution in paddy field. His Murican Padam is famous in Kerala. Later government captured land but could not succeed. They failed. The paddy field became wasteland. And Malayali people are expert in there are so many famous people in agriculture field. And another famous man, Tachil Mathutragan, famous businessman, minister in Travancore Balaram Varma ministry. He helped even king financially while threat came from Tipu Sultan. But later Velutambidalva captured power. He put Taragan in jail. In Siberia also there is businessman hotel business done by Malayali. There are so many people in sports field also. Jimmy George, great baseball player, Anju Bobby George, P.T. Usha and so many others are there. Great conversion by Latin Christian community in Kerala to India is give their church land for Tumba Space Research Center. And in Australia also, the Jins Charles Malayali in Australian government ministry. And there is City Mayor, Missouri City Mayor America, A.B. Ellicott. May Lord Jesus bless you.